Alright, it's after work. It's sort of raining, but I've been thinking about this all day and I still can't work out what exactly is going on. Some other people have suggested that maybe it's not the box, maybe it's the torque tube bearings or the prop or something like that. I have a really nasty suspicion that it is the gearbox, but I want to do some more investigating to see if I can diagnose the actual symptom, like whether it's clutch up, clutch down, in gear, out of gear. So I'm just going to have a little bit more of a play with the car and see what it does. So starting from basics, without even the engine running, clutch feels perfect. The gears, there's no nasty notchiness, nothing untoward there whatsoever. If I take the handbrake off and I have it out of gear, I would say the car would roll, but I think it's flat tyres. I might have put a chock under it. Yeah, I did. Ah, bollocks. Right, slight delay. Okay, so the car is in third. Take the chock away, clutch is up, progressively down on the clutch, car rolls. The action of the clutch is perfect. Someone suggested it could be a compatibility of parts issue, like because I've gone from a self-centering clutch, from a non-self-centering to a self-centering. Perhaps that's the problem, but I don't think it is, because everything just feels so nice. The noise is just associated with the engine running and in gear. So should start her up again. Okay, the wipers going. Shush. Right, so there's no funny noises. So out of gear, fine. So it isn't the engine side. So handbrake on, clutch down, revving up and down. You can hear start to hear some vibration. Okay, so now off the clutch and I'm still revving it. Weird. So that's new to how I thought. I'm just going to move the cover because I'm in fact poisoning myself. So I'm getting a horrible vibration with or without gear. So maybe that's engine then. Starting to think maybe I was wrong. It's not the box, it's the engine. So what could be causing that? I think I'm going to need a glamorous assistant to help me try and track this down. Oh well, maybe it's not the box then, so at least that's something. This weather is really fighting me. Absolutely every time I try and work on this car, it just pisses it down. So I'm really miserable now. Don't really know what to do as further steps for diagnostics. If it's engine, I can't really think what it would be that would be simple. It's like a light rattling noise. So I'm just going to think on that.